Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and if you are a bread baker, then these silicone bread slings are going to be your new favorite accessory.
PLAPITATE has made the perfect accessory for any baker, whether you are a newbie like myself or been baking for a long time. These are going to come in so handy. They are a reusable non-stick bread sling made from food grade silicone, and they work so well transferring your bread into your Dutch oven, as well as sitting there holding it, keeping it from sticking to the bottom, and you can help take out your bread when it's done, easy as pie. These are so incredible and extremely easy to clean, and it really makes the bread making experience so much easier. I love that it has lots of measurements on it and that it's a 2 pack, so you can make multiple loaves at once. It is just so awesome.
I love having these bread slings. They make my baking so much more enjoyable. I highly recommend getting them, and that's my point of view.